Hey everyone, so you want to turn your long videos into attention grabbing and viral clips. So today I will show you, I will teach you that how you can use two AI powered tools, and these are Wizard.ai and Quso.ai. So these tools actually, automatically these tools generate engaging and short clips from your long videos. So whether you are a marketer or content creator or you are a social media expert, so these tools are game changers. So let's dive in and see how they actually work. So first we go to Wizard AI, Wizard.ai. And the second tool is Quso.ai. So you can see here turn your long video into viral clips with AI magic. So uses AI to turn your long form videos into short clips ready for channels like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and more. And same thing here, like AI clips. Here you can see social media, AI clips. They have more options like avatars, AI captions, video editor, inbox, social manager. But in this video, we are gonna discuss only AI clips that can turn long videos into viral clips. So this is AI clip generator. So here you can try it free, no sign up needed. The Wizard.ai, Quso.ai, sign up needed. So here you can paste a YouTube link here. Just I copied this one of my video, and this is about how to add subscript and superscript in Google Docs. So paste YouTube link here. You can see, paste a YouTube link here, get clips for free, or you can also upload if you have video. So we are gonna see from the YouTube. So get clips for free, and you can see in the next step it will show you like, okay, yes, this video mastered Google Docs, easy way to add, subscribe and subscript and superscript. English, get AI clips and upload. And Quso.ai, for example, here you click on AI clip generator. So let me show you both of them together. Like Wizard.ai, here you can see the ratio. We will select definitely this one, 9:16, that we can use actually for YouTube Shorts and Instagram, Facebook Reels. Clip length auto, and remove silences. You can auto emoji and highlight keywords, and template default, and get AI clips. So finding best parts typically takes 1 minute, while we can see Quso.ai make viral clips with effortless AI video clipping. So clip your video with Quso.ai. You can see, as I told you, for this you need to sign up. And click on sign up. And you can see Wizard.ai, it has been created, this tool has been created. There are 4 shorts, like for example this one, save time with Google Docs shortcuts. So see here, I explained about the shortcuts, YouTube shorts, Google Docs shortcuts. So see, when I play it, you can see like showing control plus comma keyword shortcut key that I used. See everything, it will show here. See, so then you can also see the transcript that I just used in this video. My voice also you can see. So every transcript here. So see, it has showed like how to use shortcuts, quick guide to subscript and superscript. So this also you can use. You can edit this one, and here you can see, here is the quick guide to add subscript and superscript. Same sign up we have done. So the link has been sent. So once you click on the link that you receive on your email, so you will click on continue here. Your email has been verified. and now you will type your email. So here you can see like create AI clips. We have done already in the, no, sorry, create, see all projects, there is no project. So we can do like create AI clips. So enter YouTube link, I will enter here, and import and generate clips. So it will generate clips. So while we are processing your video and generating clips, this will not take too much. So you can do a small survey here, like what's your name, what describe you best, like video creator. Next, what industry you are work in, software, IIT, how many people, just me. Enter your role, like for example director, and what is the URL of your website, optional, so we can skip that option. Skip. I want to manage and grow my social media with AI, or I want to create videos and carousels, or do both. Next, I just heard about Quso.ai from other sources. Next, and if you want to upgrade, you can select or just close it. And now here you can see in the projects it's processing 19%, almost done, 20% done. So here you can see that in this Vizard.ai, the one that we created, we want to export, so we can export it from here. You can see preparing, and you can export it. Same here. You can see the options also like 720, or which one you want to export. This is very good to see. Till then, we can see the clips from Quso.ai, and it's like you can see, you can export, download from here. So you can see, for example, here how to use subscript in Google Docs. So when I'm speaking here, so you can see my, you can see whatever I spoke in the video, you can see captions. And you can see what I typed here, it's actually going here. So what we can do, we can edit it, and we can move a bit like here. You can see, you can play it, and you can see it. For now, you can see it looks amazing. So, and even in this Quso.ai, it covers everything, your frame, so now you can download it. So download it, and you can form it, and you can see it will download. You can safely leave the page, you will find it in your downloads. So it's amazing. This one also estimated processing time 2 to 5 minutes, then you can download it. It's amazing. So you can download it, and you can use them, you can upload them in your YouTube or shorts, or for example Instagram reels. It's amazing, stories, and also so you can with few clicks of this AI powered tool, you can generate. Now see, it has been downloaded, so you can see it is here. So, okay, this is here. Amazing, amazing, honestly speaking, amazing. Everything is with captions, we can upload it on our platforms. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Share the video with your friends so they can also learn and increase their professional skills. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming video. Thank you so much once again.